Hello, Case here with another snippet on my channel. Well, right now I'm really busy packing all my stuff in the old home, so it's really quite a mess. There's pieces of furniture and boxes everywhere. Well, I don't yet have the key to the new home, but when I post this video, I should have the key, so exciting stuff and more on that later. But right now I'm still in my old home and right now it's just packing and moving all my stuff. And one of the things I just packed are all my artworks I made during the last, well, more or less 2 years. So I thought it would be nice for this snippet to take a look at the art I made. So let's dive into that. So here we are with all the canvases I've been working on during the last, say, 2 years. It was a lot of experimenting. I've been experimenting a lot with spray paint, with Molotov markers, with acrylic paint. And some things went really well, and other things, well, not so much, but hey, it's all a learning process. So let's dive into it. First off, one I'm actually quite proud of. It's a picture of the Joker, and I used to say Heath Ledger was the only good Joker, but well, there is a new one now and I'll get back to that later. But this artwork, well, I really like. I used stencils for it with spray paint combined with Molotov marker, the liquid chrome ones, to make the text and all the shiny effects. Well, you can't really see it on camera, but it's a really shiny picture. Well, and I like it quite much. So this one is actually in my home. On the wall, well, not anymore, but it will probably be on the wall in my new home again. This one I really like. It's well, sort of a cartoon version of Billie Eilish, and well, it was a bit of experimenting with markers and spray paint and a dripping effect, and I think it worked really well. And well, because I like the dripping effect, I use it on other artworks later on, so you'll see more of that. Another painting I made is this one, which is a Lita Battle Angel. Well, not really happy with it, but it was good practice. And one of the things I found out is that the acrylic paint I'm using, which is just a cheap brand X paint, isn't really suitable for making portraits. So there are really stark lines here and I don't like them, but the paint was drying too fast, so I couldn't do a thing about it. But hey, it was good practice. Then we have this one, which is also a stencil project. This was made when there were the protests by students about the planet ruining, and I really liked one of the pictures that was in the media back then of a girl holding this sign. So I made an artwork of it, again with metallic paint, so it's also quite shiny, which you can't see on the video. But it's there, and well, I think it's still really a powerful picture. Then there's this one. This is actually an artwork I've been working on, well, I think during the entire 2 years, and it's still not finished because it's really a lot of work. But I like it already the way it is. It's the Ponte Tower in South Africa. It's a combination of spray paint, acrylic paint with brushes, and Molotov markers again. And I think it's a really powerful picture, so I really like it. And finally, then there's the other Joker, which is one I'm quite proud of, so it's also in the banner in my channel. It's the new Joker, or Joaquin Phoenix. I actually made this in a contest for the movie that I didn't win, but I'm still quite proud of it. I used the dripping effect again because I thought it really gave that, well, depressed feeling like things are melting down, and I really like this artwork. I think it's really cool, and as you can see, there's a lot going on there. It's a combination of markers again, a little bit of spray paint, but a lot of drip sticks I used. So really cool. I'm going to do more with this. Some other things I tried which were successful, less successful, but hey, let's keep it to this. I hope this gave a nice impression of all the artwork I did. I am planning to do more artwork in the new workshop. I hope I can find more time to do this stuff. And I'll take you with me. If you liked it, please a thumbs up would be awesome. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to stay posted. And see you next time. Cheers.